Ever get a message saying your data may have been exposed and suddenly your stomach drops? A data breach or data leak can feel confusing, but knowing the distinction and what to do next makes all the difference. When hackers break in, that's a data breach, while a data leak usually happens by accident. But the risks to you are often the same. Let's dive into exactly what to do next to protect yourself from the consequences. First, confirm if your data was actually compromised. Companies are legally required to notify you, but there could be delay. Don't wait. Check your accounts for weird transactions or password changes. Review your credit reports for unfamiliar accounts. You can also use a data breach checker to see if your info has surfaced on the dark web. Figure out what data was exposed. Different types mean different risks. If it's just your email, expect more spam. But if your social security number or financial details are out there, you could face identity theft or stolen funds. Knowing what's at risk helps you take the right precautions. Safeguard your vulnerable online profiles. Change passwords for any accounts tied to the breach. Use strong, unique passwords for each one and store them in a password manager. Set up multi-factor authentication wherever possible and check your accounts for unfamiliar devices and remove them. If highly sensitive information like your social security number was exposed, consider freezing or locking your credit. This prevents lenders from accessing your credit reports, which blocks new credit applications from being processed. It's a powerful way to help stop identity thieves in their tracks. Reach out to the major credit bureaus to flag your profile. This gives lenders a heads up to take extra care when verifying your identity for new applications. You can also monitor your reports closely. Check your social security statements, bank statements, and credit reports regularly for at least a year to catch any hidden red flags. Next, warn people you know. If your contact details were exposed, attackers may try to scam your friends or family by impersonating you. A quick heads up can go a long way in keeping them safer. You can't stop every breach, but you can reduce their impact. Start by compartmentalizing your life with separate emails for banking and social media. Use a password manager to deploy unique, complex logins across every site to stop hackers in their tracks. Keep an eye out for suspicious links, poor grammar, or any message creating a false sense of urgency, and practice data minimalism. Only provide the bare essentials, even when dealing with legitimate companies. Tools like Norton 360 with LifeLock provide real-time protection, helping you stay ahead of threats and support if identity theft occurs.